This film is brought to you by Idemitsu, the leading lubricant from Japan, with tips for your vehicle's maintenance if it has been lying idle for a long time. Please use appropriate personal protection while cleaning and sanitizing your car. Clean the exterior of your car. Clean the interior of your car thoroughly. If you have a car standing for a long time, getting it started requires special care. Engines are built to run regularly and are likely to develop problems if they have been idle for a long time. Check the level of the engine oil by using the dipstick. Always choose a good quality engine oil. I prefer using Idemitsu Zepro 0W20, which is premium in quality and protects the engine. Idemitsu has a complete range of engine oils available in the market for diesel and petrol engines. Majority of the Indian cars have their engine oil manufactured in Idemitsu India factory. Check the level of the coolant and also check for any leakages. Check and top up windshield water. For gear oil, do not attempt to replace anything by yourself. Check the level of the battery water and top up if necessary. Check tires for air pressure. If the tires are flat, use the portable inflator to fill it or take it to the nearest petrol pump. Start the engine. Switch on the AC. Roll down the windows and let the air circulate. Your car is now ready for a drive. Happy motoring. Checklist for the same: battery, engine oil, coolant, tire pressure. Start the engine and keep it running for a while.